Hello store owners! Today, I'm showing you how to manage wholesale quote requests from my customers as an admin. All the action is under wholesale, then quotes. This is my quotes list. I can see every submitted quote, the customer name, the total, and the current status. Quotes move through a life cycle. New submissions come in as pending. I can approve or decline them, and approved ones get converted into an order. I can filter by status or customer, or search by quote number to find a specific one. I'll click View Details on a pending quote to open it. The details screen shows me the customer's billing and shipping address, the full line items with product name, SKU, wholesale price, retail price, and quantity, and a quote history panel on the right that logs every action taken on this quote. The approve and decline buttons are right at the top, ready to go. If I want to adjust a price or quantity before approving, I hit the pencil icon on any line item. The price and quantity fields become editable inline. I can type in a new price. This override only applies to this specific quote. It won't touch the product's wholesale pricing anywhere else on my store. Once I'm done, I hit save on that line item, then update at the top to save the whole quote. I can also add or remove products from a quote. Hit add product to search and add something. The wholesale price for this customer's row loads automatically. I can remove items with the delete icon, and there's a CSV upload option for bulk additions. I drag in a CSV file with product IDs or SKU and quantities, and the plugin populates the quote items from that. There's a template download link right there to get the correct format. When I'm happy with the quote, I hit approve. The status moves to approved, and the customer gets an email notification if I have quote emails enabled. An approved quote stays fully editable. I can still tweak line items or pricing, and when the customer is ready to go, I convert it to an order. If I need to decline, I click decline. A dialog pops up asking for the reason. This is required, and the reason gets included in the email the customer receives. I type in my reason, confirm, and the quote moves to decline status. I can still message the customer afterwards if messaging is enabled. When it's time to turn a quote into an order, I click Convert to Order. I can do this from an approved quote or even straight from a pending one. It auto-approves and converts in one step. The plugin creates a WooCommerce order with the locked prices from the quote, pulls in the billing and shipping addresses, and sets the order to pending payment. The quote status changes to converted, and I get a direct link to the new order right here. If messaging is turned on in my wholesale quote settings, each quote has a message thread right here at the bottom of the details screen. I can type a message and send it. The customer gets an email notification and can reply from their end. It's a clean way to negotiate or ask for more details without going back and forth through separate emails. A couple of housekeeping things. Quotes automatically expire after the number of days set in my wholesale quote settings. The default is 30. When a quote expires, the customer can't act on it, but I can still approve or convert it as an admin. And if I need to delete a quote, I can do it from the details screen or select multiple quotes here in the list and delete them in bulk. Deletion is permanent and can't be undone. And that's everything you need to manage wholesale quotes as an admin. Reviewing, editing, negotiating prices, approving, converting to orders, and messaging customers all from one place. I'll link the full documentation below. Drop any questions in the comments. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.